Hi guys, my name is Breezy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your dogs and train them. First, you need, most important, water. Not just any water. I mean, just water. It doesn't matter what kind of water, but make sure it's not bad for your dog, or they will. Okay. FYI, I forgot. They need dog food. Without dog food, they're just not dogs. If you have a dog right now, tell them to eat this.
Oh, okay.
Second is they need a collar, yes, to go around their neck like this. But if you don't have a collar, how is the collar supposed to have its best friend, the leash? It's not gonna work. Tip. And if you don't have a leash, forget that. I'm sorry. If you don't have a collar, that's fine. But if you just have a leash, here's a tip for all you people that have dogs. Okay, so you go like this. If you already know this, well, that's fine. Just watch the video. And there, you have a leash. And now you can walk your dog. Third is dogs need to have dog toys. Here is the 2 toys I have. Wait a second. Now here, I think I got this this dog toy from Walmart, Dollar Tree, one of those. And by the way, this one that I was just talking about says, "Good dog." Oh, and this one's just a one to chew on. Now we're done with those. Next, tip. Ding. Here's a tip, special tip, very important tip. Speaking of bones, is that you know real bones, okay? We're talking about real bones, not this stuff, okay? But bones. Do not give your dog real bones, because that's just bad for their throat. And they could choke and probably... You know what that means. Next. Number 4 is about your dog. When you wake up in the morning and you feel so good about yourself that you could just...
I was helping you.
No,
you were helping me a lot.
But then you find chewed up shoes. Wait a minute. I got and then you go to church. And you get all ready, but the last thing you have to do is put your shoes on. And here's how the worst thing comes on. What happened to my shoes? Sophie, I'm gonna kill you! That is what you do. Well, that's apparently what I do. Okay. Next, number 5. High five.
Wow. Oh.
Okay, number 5 is that
Not my stuff.
your dog needs another dog to be friends. They need dog friends. I mean, without another dog, what is a dog?
That. Tank.
Okay, I made this video especially for you. It's about friendship. Just pretend they're dogs, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, it's a quick video. I mean, I'm gonna be back anyway, but the video's gonna end.
We'll do it in
This
28 hours.
But here, I hope you enjoy it. Once upon a time, there was a chick who had no friends. Two hours later. I want a friend. I'm all alone. Nah, 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 nah. I think I coughed too much. I mean, cried too much. Okay. And then 2 minutes later. Here comes Pinky. Bang, 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 bang. Hi. Hi. Who are you? Oh, my name is Pinky. Who are you? Oh, I'm just a lonely bird. I got a special question for you. Okay. What is that question? Anyway. The question is, do you want to be my friend? Arf, arf? Sure. Arf, arf. Ow! Ow, ow, ow!
Yes, Mom?
So now, the very sixth thing you need. That video just came out. Made me so sad. I just want to hug him right now. I'm just kidding. I am really crying. Okay. So, the 6th thing, which is our last thing. Drum roll, please. Okay, you could stop now. A cage! Of course your dog needs a cage, but you know how the thing with the chewed up shoe? Just keep your shoes away. Like that over there. I don't even know if you can see it, but I put my shoes over there. And the dogs can't get it because they're in their cage. Oh, sorry. My bird is on the cage. Now back to the cage. Now, I really hope you guys liked my video. Funny video. And, please put a big thumbs up and click that red button down below. And comment about anything. If you want me to make a video about your pet. Well, not about your pet, but how to take care of that pet. By the way, I got a bird, which you just saw him. The last video, I already made a video about birds. If it's a boy or a girl, so you could check out that video. If you have a bird. I have dogs, as you've seen. And I have a cat. Okay, bye!